The most dangerous idea in science didn't arrive with an explosion. It arrived quietly, whispering that time itself was lying to us. It's 1905, in the city of Bern, Switzerland. The streets are calm, the clocks tick steadily, and the world feels solid and certain. Inside a modest apartment, a 26-year-old patent clerk sits at a small desk late into the night. No laboratory, no funding, no audience. Just paper, ink, and a mind that refuses to accept what everyone else takes for granted. Albert Einstein isn't trying to be revolutionary. He's troubled. Troubled by a simple question no one can answer. If light always moves at the same speed, no matter who measures it, then what happens to time? Outside his window, trams glide through lamplit streets. Church bells echo. Trains run on schedules precise to the second. Time feels universal, absolute, unquestionable. But in Einstein's thoughts, something is breaking. Imagine chasing a beam of light. If you could catch up to it, would it freeze in place? According to physics at the time, it should. But experiments said otherwise. Light refused to behave, and if light was right, then time was wrong. Here's the first crack in reality. Two people moving at different speeds don't agree on what now means. Einstein realizes that time does not flow the same for everyone. Clocks tick slower when they move. Simultaneity shatters. The past, present, and future begin to stretch and bend, not as philosophy, but as math. This isn't abstract anymore. It's terrifying. Because if time changes with motion, then space and time are not separate things. They're stitched together into something deeper, something flexible, something alive. In that moment, the universe stops being a rigid machine and becomes a dynamic stage where reality depends on how you move through it. Einstein publishes his paper on the electrodynamics of moving bodies. No fanfare, no headlines, just equations. But the consequences are seismic. Time slows for fast-moving astronauts. GPS satellites must correct for relativity to work. Mass becomes energy. E equals mc squared. The universe reveals that even time itself can stretch, shrink, and betray intuition. The emotional climax isn't applause, it's loneliness. Einstein waits years before the world truly understands what he's done. But once it does, there's no going back. Humanity has crossed a line. We now live in a universe where time is not a river flowing evenly for all, but a fabric that bends beneath our feet. And the most unsettling truth of all? It was always this way. We just didn't know. If this story changed how you see reality, help this channel grow. Like the video, share it with someone who loves big ideas, subscribe for more moments that reshaped humanity, and leave a comment telling us, when did time first feel unreal to you?